Expert tips, the better heat pump. The level of the pre-run temperature is conceptually limited for heat pumps. The evaporator is in the outdoor unit, and the condenser must be in the indoor unit.
And why does the condenser have to be inside?
An additional exchange process reduces the supply temperature when the condenser is located in the outdoor unit. This tip and many others are in the book explained in detail. The link to the book you will find below in the description. Montepree@gmail.com